Hello. Good morning, students. How are you today? It's another beautiful day with Teacher J. Today is 1st of June 2021 and Teacher J will be having her first class with you students. On today's lesson, we will be talking about fruits. But before we talk about fruits, let's do some activities. Watermelon, watermelon. Avocado, avocado. Do you like strawberry? Do you like strawberry? I love lemon. I love lemon. Okay, thank you for listening. Listen carefully and you say after your teacher. Watermelon, avocado, lemon, pineapple, coconuts, and grapes. One more time. Watermelon, avocado, lemon, pineapple, coconuts, and grapes. Now we go with the pictures. Are you ready? Wow! Watermelon. Avocado. Lemon. Pineapple. Coconuts. And we have our grapes. Now we say them again one more time. Watermelon, avocado, lemon, pineapple, coconuts, and the last is grapes. Now students, you repeat after the teacher and there we go. Listen and listen. I will send you your worksheet in our next lesson. Bye-bye. See you again.